How to turn on or turn off. We choose loud audio on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Sounds and Haptics. After that, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Headphone Safety. Next in here, tap on Reduce Loud Audio. So tap on the Reduce Loud Audio toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. When you turn it on, you can also readjust the decibels. So you're dragging on the slider bar here to decrease the sound, or you can increase your volume by dragging on the slider bar to the right hand side. So when it goes up to 100 decibels, your phone will allow you to listen to a volume as loud as an ambulance siren. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.